It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
On March the 5th, 2024, at approximately 1:49 p.m., an officer with the Columbus Division of Police was working in plainclothes on his way to a late lunch when he observed a traffic crash. He stopped to make sure everybody was okay, and then the driver of one of those vehicles fled.
Boom! And I just grabbed my radio real quick. I'm like, "Are you okay?" And he's like, "Yeah." I said, "I'm Officer Hicks. You guys okay? I got medics coming." He's like, "Yeah." Putting stuff in the bag. He slowly disappears. I'm like, "All right, I know what's about to happen."
The officer gave chase and directed patrol officers to the location of the suspect, and the rest is history.
Get off the fucking road, dumbass!
PPD crews are coming down Wilson Air. It's not that Valley View right here at the front of the...
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
Here he is. There he's headed back westbound towards Wilson.
2830.
2030.
Hey, Fisher and Wilson, I got a lot from the patrol fast test. Do you have cruisers on route?
You were working on it. We've got one running from them.
Yeah, we're here. Also the driver.
I got his backpack. He went west and then back south around the building.
31 now. We're getting better.
Where'd you see him, or where was he last seen?
Yeah, so the last place I saw him, he hopped this fence. He was laying down by the Connex trailers, but S-15 came in on Valley View, and I think he's back there. They're opening the gate. I just don't, dude, jumped out of my truck. So I got
Go back to your truck.
All right, thanks, buddy.
Copy, Joker's overhead.
Chopper, you need to come south.
190 to choppers. You see my car. They're opening this fence where they're on the beach.
Hey, man.
There's 15 to chopper. I'm off to your south side, to your right of your door. Can you see me down here by the... Yeah, we're overhead with the green doors and
Get out of here! Get on the fucking ground! Just lay right there! Lay the fuck... Down! Lay the fuck down! Get on the ground! Hands behind your back! Behind your back! Hands behind your back!
I'm gonna jump the fence and they're all right.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Get on the ground! Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back!
Put your palms together.
Palms together.
Palms together.
Come on in. There's a gate. Copy. Here's 15. We're taking him into custody.
Copy, taking him into custody.
He's the only one, Chief.
He's the only one that's out. We got him.
On that, or I'm on that, by the way.
Good job, guys.
Copy.
Thank you, Hobo. I ain't gonna resist.
Resist.
Well, you don't anymore, but I got your knife in here.
I was on my way to work. Just work with me. Yeah, you're on your way to work and just run for the police? You work every day and run for the police?
No, I got a warrant, that's why I heard.
Oh, okay. What's it for?
Just obstructing and resisting.
All right.
Stand up and listen to
You got blood in there somewhere? His face is bleeding. Alright, that's good. Can I check that sign?
I was on my way to work. Just work with me.
The gate's open on the other side. We'll walk them out there.
No, I got a warrant, that's why I heard. Just
Lifting out the shop.
Come on, I got it. Let's go this way.
Yeah, I'll run him, yeah. He's right here. Let's get some wall, Sarge. I'm not. Can you hold mine like you know how I walk with you?
Pull your head away from the car.
I'm sorry.
Trying to make you breathe. There you go. 190. You can start at 24. Guy's really tired and his face is big.
Okay, hang on, baby. What location do you want us to come here?
This Savvy Auto Sales. I'm not sure the address.
There's a knife in the back portion.
No gun?
No gun. Yeah, it was pretty heavy. He's got, well, let's put it this way. There is a gun in there. It's one of those paint compressor. I know, that's what I'm telling him. It's a compressor thing, because that's what he says he does for work. Because I thought it was quite heavy.
Oh, is it?
He's messing with you.
Oh, it's mine.
Oh, that is yours? Was that your stuff on the hood? The phone and everything?
No.
Oh, okay.
Let me make sure mine.
Yeah, don't be drinking after him. Okay. Alrighty. If you could sit up for me, I know it's kind of hard, but just sit straight up so I get a picture of your injury there. Okay. Any other injuries that I can't see right now? Just that one? Okay. And I take it that was probably from the fence?
I don't know.
You don't know where it came from?
I can't remember now.
Okay.
Going on.
I'm sure. Any pain any place else?
I'm good.
No? Okay.